Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through making some faux leather earrings. And the first thing I'm going to do is open Cricut Design Space, and I'm going to type in earrings, this one. So I'm going to go ahead and click here and hit add to canvas. Let's go ahead and delete that. Okay. And I'm going to change the colors. The first color is going to be white. And I'm going to click here to change the second color, and it's going to be like an orange. And the third color is going to be gold. So I'm going to go ahead and let's see if they have like a little gold color for like a gold. I'm going to do like a really cute little like candy gumdrop for Halloween. And so I think it's going to be super cute. So next I'm going to click on Make It, on the mat, Continue. And I am going to mirror the image, which you really don't have to in this case because it's, basically the same image. But I'm going to do that just as a good habit. So going further, I just get used to it. So, because in some cases you do need to. Then we're going to hit continue. And I'm going to browse all materials and let's type in leather. And then we have faux leather right here. So, let's go ahead and select this and hit done. And let's go ahead and load the mat. So let's get started. Okay, so I just need a small piece of the vinyl, the white vinyl. I'm going to go ahead and place it down just like this. And I'm going to go ahead and use a brayer just to make sure that it's, flat. And I'm going to go ahead and tape it with some painter's tape. Let me kind of tear this a little bit. I don't want it to be so thick. Okay, and then I'm going to do the sides as well. Okay, so now I'm going to place this on the Cricut mat. And I'm going to press the flashing button. And then I'm going to go ahead and click the Cricut button. Okay, we're going to remove it from the mat. And let's go ahead and take the tape off. And I ended up cutting this in half. I wanted to make sure that it fit, because it looked like it may have been a little bit small, so I just cut it in half and scooted it over. Okay, let's go ahead and take this off. Okay, so we have this part, and now we are going to go ahead and add the orange. We're going to place this upside down and use the brayer, and then we're going to apply the tape. Then apply this to the Cricut and get this cut as well. Okay, we're going to remove this. Okay, so we're going to use gold for this one. Okay, and we're going to turn it upside down and use the brayer. And this one is thicker actually, so I'm going to have to tape this one better. And we're going to have to go back into the Cricut Design Space and see if they have a little thicker piece of faux leather, like see if they have like glitter. We're back into Cricut Design Space, and we're going to click on Browse All Materials. And I'm going to type in leather. And I'm going to go ahead and use shimmer leather, and I think that might be the closest to what I'm using. And then we're just going to hit done and go ahead and load the mat. So all we do is we're going to open the jewelry kit. And I'm going to do gold. So I'm going to go ahead and pull out 2 of the gold. And let's do 2 of these. Okay, so the kit comes with a ring, and these little pieces are called jump rings. And then of course the earrings, it comes in different colors. So what I'm going to do first, and it comes with tools as well. You can't see that. There's this, and this, and I'm not really sure what the other stuff is for yet because I haven't gotten to that yet. But so what I'm going to do here is what you do with the ring is you just kind of put it here so you have like some sort of base to hold it. And let me just grab it at a different angle. Okay, so then you're gonna, this part is the part that's gonna open. You'll just kind of put it here and then kind of just turn it a little bit. Let's see, that one's a little bit bigger for me. Okay, so see how this opens? Can you see that? So it opens it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is put on the bottom earring. This is the last color, so let's do that one first. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and find the hole. Okay, so that's on. Then I'm going to do the same thing with the orange. It's just in layers. So let's go ahead and slide this on. Okay, and then next I'm going to do the last one, which is the white. Okay, so then we have this. So for have it open, I'm going to go ahead and grab the earring, and this has a loop that you will just slide into that. Place it here. And then we're going to just make sure it's closed. Okay, perfect. Okay, so then this is what we have. Isn't that so cute, you guys? It's so cute. So then we're gonna go ahead and do the exact same thing to the second one. So, and there's different sizes here, like this is a smaller, and this one's obviously too big, this gap. So this, I just kind of put it in here and open it. And then again, we're gonna grab this and place this in here first. And then the orange. And the white. I'm trying to watch it through the camera and it makes it harder, so that is what that is. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and add this. And then I'm going to I went ahead and just added the earring to it. I'm going to place this back in here and then just kind of close it. So, perfect. So what do you guys think? You like them? I think they're different. They're easy to make. You can do like any style, and it's just something different for Halloween. So what do you think? Leave a comment, let me know. So I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial today. If it's something that you think you might want to see more of, then make sure to hit the subscribe button below. So bye y'all. Thanks for watching.